What's up everyone, it's Lens Addict here, and today we're going to have a look at how much the USB-C ports in the Tesla Model 3 output and if there's any difference between the front and the rear ones. So to do this, we're going to use a MacBook Pro and coconut battery, which will tell us how many watts the port provides. So let's do it and let's have a look. So to start off, we will use the ports in the rear of the car. And we can see that that port is 27 watts. And that port is also 27 watts. And let's try the ports in the front of the car. So just reach it into the front. There's another two USB-C ports. Bit hard to plug it in. There we go. So the port in the front is 36 watts. Very nice. That's quite a decent amount of power for inbuilt car charging. And I assume the port here will be the same, but let's just test that one as well. So that port is also 36 watts. There you go. That is the charging output of the USB-C ports in the Tesla Model 3. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any other questions about the Tesla Model 3, let me know and I will try my best to answer them.